How to solve even and odd functions? First, let's try to understand these concepts algebraically. If a function f of x is said to be even, then f of x is equal to f of minus x for all x in the domain of f. Similarly, if f of x is equal to minus f of minus x, then it is called an odd function. Graphically, its interpretation is much simpler to remember, because an even function is symmetrical about the y-axis only, while an odd function is symmetrical about the origin. Easy examples to contemplate with this concept are cosine and sine functions. We know that cos of x is equal to cos of minus x, so algebraically, cosine is an even function and we can affirm it visually by drawing its graph. Similarly, we all know that sine of x is equal to minus of sine of minus x, so algebraically, sine function is an odd function and we can affirm it visually by drawing its graph. Now, let us try to understand how this actually happens. When placed in front of a mirror, all we see is a reflection of the object. Say, we place this graph as shown in front of a mirror fixed on the y-axis. So it will seem that there are two same graphs on either side of y-axis. Graphs of this kind actually are impressions of even functions. We can also check that f of x is equal to f of minus x. Now, if we place another mirror on the x-axis such that only the newly formed graph can be replicated, so the new image form becomes an image of the original graph about the origin. When put together, graphs of this kind are called odd functions. We can also check here that f of x is equal to minus of f of minus x. Now, let's solve an example based on this concept. Question: if f is an even function defined on the interval from minus 5 to 5, then four real values of x satisfying the equation f of x equal to f of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 are. Solution: given f of x is equal to f of x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 2, so f of minus x is equal to f of minus x plus 1 whole divided by minus x plus 2, which is same as f of x since it is an even function. We get x equal to minus x plus 1 whole divided by minus x plus 2, which on simplification we get x squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. On solving, we get two values of x as 3 plus minus root 5 whole divided by 2. Again, from the given equation we can write that f of x is equal to f of minus x equal to f of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. We get minus x equal to x plus 1 divided by x plus 2, which on simplification we get x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. On solving, we get two more values of x as minus 3 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. Therefore, four values of x are plus minus 3 plus minus root 5 whole divided by 2. This concludes our basic video on even and odd functions.